welcome back to my channel today. So this morning we got a great breakfast in, did our little workout sauna session, and the sun is shining, which is amazing because it's been feeling a little bit of spring over here in the Midwest. And so it has just been a great weekend so far, but I wanted to update you guys on a little house project that we're planning on doing sometime soon, but the thing came in for it and I'm gonna show you guys. So for the longest time, ever since we moved in, I've been wanting to put wallpaper up in the kitchen because I just really think that it would give it some more details, some more character, just be more fun. And so finally I made a little poll on my Instagram and I pulled the plug on buying wallpaper. It is peel and stick, so if it ends up not being what I completely envisioned, that's completely fine, but we are taking a risk. We're having some fun with it, and this is the wallpaper that I got. It's like this brown checkered wallpaper. I think that it'll look, this is what it looks like up close. I think that it'll look super, super good with just kind of the vibes that we already have, the black, the whites, the natural wood, the more earthy, definitely vibe. So this is what it looks like. It literally came in the mail yesterday. I'm so excited to be putting it up. But if you look close, you can see on the wallpaper that it kind of fades in each of the boxes, the checkers, to like give it a more natural look. And so I'm so excited. I know it's not gonna be everybody's cup of tea, but I've said this a few times in like my home project vlogs that I truly believe that when you're adding things to your space that reflect who you are, it just makes it more fun. And I love all of the styles. I appreciate and value all of the styles that you can incorporate in your home. But for right now, we're doing something, this is very fun and out there, but I'm super excited, and I really do think that it's gonna look great. Just wanted to start this vlog off by explaining what our next home project DIY is.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke.
Alright guys, this is what she's looking like so far. Kyle has done a wonderful job of putting the wallpaper up. He did this little part Sunday evening, he did that one last night, and then I'm pretty sure he'll knock out this right here tonight, and then we should be finished with these two shelves by the end of the week. It's not finished yet, but I am absolutely in love with how it is turning out. I think it looks so good. It gives our kitchen just like a fun pop of just color and just makes it more unique, and that is exactly what I'm going for. But this wallpaper was from Amazon, so if you are wanting to know, it's peel and stick. I think it's like a brown color. It definitely is darker on camera than it is in person, but it still looks so cute. But I will link the brown wallpaper in the description below. Now that I've given you guys a little update on our kitchen and what it's looking like, I feel like I have had to kind of preface by saying that I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I just think for me and for us, like, it just represents like the fun aestheticness that we like to cultivate, and it's just fun. And that's what I want my kitchen to be, is fun and cute and aesthetic, because we spend so much time here in our home, and because we live in a smaller apartment, I feel like it's just automatically like we spend so much time here because it's smaller, and so there's only so many places you can spend time in. And so my goal is to make our home, just add the small details, add the touches that represent, you know, us very well. And I feel like the checker does so much, and I love how it turned out. I'm glad I went with the color that I went with. I think that it just looks so good with our black. But besides that, I have a little haul to give you. I went to TJ Maxx today to get some things for a Valentine's party that I'm hosting this weekend. And I just got a few things, and I thought I would share in case you are wanting to go to TJ Maxx to buy the same. So first off in my little haul are these Rachel Zoe hand towels. We go through hand towels so quickly in our kitchen. And I just thought these were super cute and springy. The weather is really like, you know, I feel like I'm a plant. I'm just thriving with the warm weather and the sunny days. And so I started looking at TJ Maxx and Home Goods spring line, and they had these striped, scalloped hand towels there. And these were, I think, $12.99 for 3. But yeah, these are super cute. We use hand towels every single night, and so these will get good use. But I thought these were really cute for spring and even summer, but that's what they look like. Here's what they look like up close. Just super cute and springy. If you're looking for some spring towels, highly recommend. Next up, I got this sweet orange lemon candle. It was on clearance for $4.50. I'm all about the clearance finds. But I don't know, just something about the citrusy scents have just smelled so good for spring and all that. And so I got a new candle. For my Valentine's party, I got the same plates that I got last year, but just these cute little heart-shaped plates, and then these pink ones to match. I thought these would be cute for like our food, and then these would be cute for our dinner and stuff. I mean, our desserts. But anyways, that's literally all that I got for the Valentine's party, was the plates, because I feel like I have decorations from last year, and I really like to decorate with like just flowers and stuff. And so I'm gonna probably like Valentine's Day up the table in my next vlog that I'll post. But yeah, really cute. I also got this TJ Maxx lunchbox. This was $9.99 for this lunchbox, and I was just so surprised at how affordable it was. I thought it was going to be like at least $15 to $20, but it was $10. And this lunchbox is so cute. I got it for work because I work at a coffee shop now, and I try my best to meal prep so that I've been taking my lunches. And so I got this cutie little lunchbox for work, $9.99 $9.99, and so I thought that was super cute if you're looking for a cute little lunchbox, and I'm sure that I'll use it in the summer when me and Kyle, if we go on picnics and stuff. Target run, and I got some of the Myers cleaning spray. I love the Myers cleaning spray, and they just came out with their spring line, and I had never tried the daisy scent, but if you really like the lilac scent, the daisy scent is really good too. So very much of an assortment of things that I got today. I feel like I really didn't like get a bunch from each place. I just got a few things that I needed. Okay, so here is currently the state of our kitchen. I didn't share too much of what this table looked like in my last video, but if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I had a more of a bar stool type of bar in the middle here, and it acted as like a kitchen island and everything. But we ended up getting this white table and black chairs from Kyle's parents because they got a new table, so they gave this one to us. And this is what it looks like in our kitchen. I feel like it just makes it so much more homey in here and just ties the whole room together. But I put this doily down that I thrifted last week, and then right here I have this cute little scalloped little tray with my bow coasters for Valentine's Day. It's kind of a little spring look, some fresh flowers, and then a candle. But I thought that it just looks so cute, and I think that this just really fills the space, and we can now sit 6 people at our table when we're hosting, which is really, really nice, and I love that. But I thought that I would just share with you guys like what it looks like and just like how we really utilize the space. I have a few things that I need to decorate the house with for Valentine's Day, so let's go do that. This cutie little heart garland, and it's like clay-like, but it has these little flowers imprinted on it. They're kind of raised on the heart, but I'm gonna hang this from our mantle. I just think it's gonna be so cute. It's very Valentine's but also spring-like, so let's hang it up. Shared that I got this pillow from Aldi a couple weeks ago, and so we're gonna put this on the couch just to give a little bit of Valentine's flair. I got these flowers a couple weeks ago, and I am so impressed with how long that they've lasted. But they literally, all they have on them are a little bit of brown on the sides. But I cut off of some flowers from the main bouquet that I have in the kitchen. But I just put these in a little glass that I had, and I'm going to put it on the shelf.